Hey everyone, Jacob here with MarineMax Savannah, and today I'm aboard a 2025 Boston Whaler 280 Vantage, and I'm excited to show you this boat. We've got a lot of wonderful features, very easy to use, very enjoyable boat here. This is Boston Whaler's lineup that's very family friendly and overall just a great cruising boat. So first we'll start up here in the bow. I'll go ahead and open this. So this allows you access to your windlass and your swim ladder. A lot of people really love that swim ladder because they want to pull up to the beach. They don't want to have to anchor backwards at the beach. They can just drop that swim ladder, hop right out onto the sand, and they're good to go. This windlass right here also comes with this remote right up here for ease of use, so you can be right up here, or you can also control it at the helm, whatever's easier for you. When you're done and you wind it back in, you've got a freshwater washdown right here, very easy to pull out, clean everything up, wash the salt water off the ladder, get it off the anchor chain and everything, and you're good to go. Okay. As you can see up here, you've got plenty of seating up in the bow, you've got speakers on both sides, you've got cup holders here and here. You've even got a head unit for the stereo, which I really like that. I think that's nice. So whoever's sitting up here, if they want some more control over what's on the radio, they're welcome to do so. You've got a USB port right here. You can charge your phone or whichever device you have. Something they also have here is you can lift this seat up, and this gives you access both right up here in front for more storage, and it gives you access up under the helm, which there's plenty of storage. You can put your fenders up there, you throw some life jackets in there, whatever you need to store, and then this just goes right back down like that and latches. Armrest right here, very comfortable. You've got a nice little trash can, so we always wonder where we're going to put the trash when we get on the boat. That's your option right there. And I'll take you back here. I'm going to start off on the port side over here. We've got a head that is fully plumbed. Yep. Some nice wood inlay in there. Close that up right here. You've got this glove compartment over here. Put your wallet, your keys, whatever you're taking aboard. Boston Whaler actually won an award for this seat technology right here. So when you want to make this more of a day bed, you pull this all the way forward right here. So obviously you have the backrest right here. You can lay out if you want to. Very nice seating. Obviously we've got the hard top on this one, so you've got plenty of shade. And then if you want to make it a little bit more comfortable, you can pull this out right here, set this up. Now it becomes a lounge in the opposite direction. A lot of people really enjoy that feature. You've got a whole bunch of cup holders up in here. There's another USB charging port right there. Very nice. Okay, so we'll go ahead and transition over to the helm here. You've got this Simrad MFD that is flush with the acrylic dash. Did a great job here. Really nice leather detail up here on top with the compass, of course. Leather steering wheel with the stainless, looks really nice. You've got your radio right here, Simrad radio for calling out or receiving messages, whichever you need. Switches to control everything on the boat, essentially. One of the things I wanted to show you here is, here's your windlass control. All you have to do is turn that on. You can go up and down. You don't have to leave the helm. But you also have that option if you want to do it up there, or maybe there's an issue with getting it up. It's not a problem. You can go up there and use the remote. You've got two things that I want to show you here. First of all, volume control for the stereo, because that's going to come up on the Simrad right here. So I click stereo, and I can control that volume right here, and it'll also let me control it on the MFD as well. So kind of two options there for whichever you prefer. You've got the Lenco trim tabs, really nice illuminated lights. I'm going to tell you where those trim tabs are. A lot of times the issue is you get one of these controllers and it doesn't have those lights on it, so you don't actually know which position the trim tabs are in. Obviously this solves that issue. Another thing I want to highlight here is, if you can tell, we are currently stationary. We're locked in one place here on the water, and that is because of Mercury's Skyhook technology. This joystick right here is going to keep us in this same location basically for as long as we want. I can turn that off like this, and then if I take hold of this, I can go directly starboard. And it might be a little difficult for you to see it right now, but it is actually taking us starboard without having to touch any other controls. I can let go of that, and when I want to stay in place again, I push skyhook. It tells me that I'm going to be locked in place, and I'm good to go. And then we can continue moving forward. Mercury's levers, very simple, very straightforward. We've got 2 of them. We've got 2 engines on this boat. You can switch it into single lever if you want to. If you're cruising up and down, you don't want to constantly be going back and forth with both of them. Just switch it to one and use that one. So yeah, let's go ahead and move back here. This is the next best thing I want to show you on this Boston Whaler. We've got the summer kitchen right here. Obviously, you're seeing the fridge. It pulls right out, keeps your drinks cool, keeps that charcuterie cold. Very nice. And then take this guy, spin him around. We've got the grill top right here. We've got an area for cutting, for prepping the food and everything. And then we wanted to put it down. All we got to do, push down a little bit, put it right back there. It's stored away. So more storage under this seat right here. And then I'll start taking you back here. As you can see, we've got tons of room. So maybe the family's up front lounging, relaxing. You can be out back with the buddies fishing. We've got the rod holders here, and they're on the other side too. But you've got plenty of room to be doing things like that. When you want more space or you want more seating for entertainment, all you have to do is pull that out right there. Lots of space, plenty of seating, and very comfortable. Another thing I want to show you back here is when you get to the dock and you want ease of access, you can just open this guy right here. I'm going to close this there. Open that door right there. You've even got a handle right here to help you get on and off. This is also where one of your swim ladders will attach. So if you want to go swimming out that door, you can do that too. We'll go ahead and close that. Show you this real quick too. You may have noticed there's a grommet down here that actually locks this door in place. And you'll know if you've had swim doors like this that don't have that grommet, it's a huge frustration when they keep banging back and forth, but they definitely resolve that issue. Plenty more storage for, if you have any water sport toys or any fenders or anything you want stored down below, you can do that right there. And this boat comes equipped with a live well as well. So you can keep the fish fresh for as long as you'd like. Okay, I'll start taking you back here. Right here, we've got another freshwater washdown. Maybe the kids are coming off the beach, they're full of sand. You want to rinse them off, keep the boat clean. It's a real easy way to do it. And if I bring you back over here, here's your shore power hookup. So if you want to keep it in the water, you want to keep it hooked up to shore power, you have that option as well. There's another swim ladder right here. That is obviously telescopic, so you deploy that and it's going to extend down into the water. And I'll bring you over here. We've got 3 more rod holders right here, so you should have plenty of space for the fishing poles. And on the back here, we have twin Mercury 300 V8s. You can see this is Mercury's electric steering. All of their motors are transitioning to the electric steering. It is so much better than the hydraulic steering. It's easier to use, it responds quicker, it's got smart technology in it, so it helps you steer along the way. These motors, they are very well powered for this boat. I mean, you can get up on plane in a heartbeat, and it's just overall a great experience. So last thing I'm going to show you today, we've got this sunshade deployed. It's obviously going to give you a bunch more shade than what you would get without it up. This hole cabin area up here can be enclosed with isinglass. So maybe the weather's bad, maybe it's a chilly day, or whatever the case may be, cover it all with isinglass and you've got your own cabin in there. This boat is one of a kind, and if you want to learn more about it, please come see us at MarineMax of Savannah. My name's Jacob, and I look forward to showing you around.